pretty well in low light, doesn't it? Try not to shoot up your nose. You've got plenty of up your nose shots.
So that's all they do of me.
Yes, Mimi said don't shoot up my nose. She said that that's not polite.
Come on, give me a look. Hello. Hello. There you go. There you go. Hey, pretty girl. Look at those pretty brows.
Yeah, her brows match.
Did he?
Was there a
A
question?
little matted, like you know
She's
how-
so expressive with them. She might have even not holding them even.
Well, but it might have been like they were kind of clumped together,
Mm-hmm.
and they're going to be arched.
Oh, yawn. This is going to be good.
She's not about big enough poopy, is she?
Perhaps.
What if I do? You just have to change it.
She may be.
She might be. We'll come right back and change you again.
Are you expecting snow, Caroline?
You have to be dressed, pal. You never know what might be coming.